Hey, what's up? What's up everybody? For today's video, gagawa po pala tayo ng drawing about sex and gender. So, before we proceed, let me introduce myself. My name is Eldarin Ison, section 1A. Okay. So, ito nga po pala yung nagagawa ko. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan guys, nakikita nyo. Naglagay pa lang ako ng border. So, mag-iisip pa ako ng idea. Pero, may naisip na naman ako. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. See you soon!
So, dito sa part na to, nakikita nyo, yun na po pala yung pinaka-final sketch ko. So, naglagay ako ng mga tao, tapos naglagay ako ng earth dance, tapos yung symbol ng gender. So, yan. So, kulayan na natin. So, dito guys, sa part na to, nilaliningan ko na yung mga in-sketch ko kanina. Yan, nakikita nyo. Yan o. Focus na focus yan. Oh, nag-ayos pa yun. Ngiti-ngiti ka pa na, hindi ka pogi, hoy. Nilaliningan ko muna siya para mas madali kong makulayan mamaya. Tapos dinagdagan ko yung mga ibang parts. So, ayan. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka-final niya at yung pinaka-kulay. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Ito na nga po pala yung pinaka-final outfit niya. Bali, 50% na ng gawa ko yung nakukulayan ko. So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka-final outfit niya. So, ayun na nga guys. Nakikita nyo. Ito na yung mga pinaka-final output niya. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Fully colored na. Ayan. So, mamaya, yan man nakikita yung design na yan. I-explain ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung mga yan. Ayan, nakikita niya. Ayan, hanggang taas, hanggang yan, gitna. So, yan, mamaya explain ko sa'yo. Mamaya na lang. For my drawing, as you can see, showing the gender and the sex, and also showing the gender equality or sexual equality. As you can see, my drawing is centralized by our earth or world. Cover it by the sex symbol, presenting female or male. And for the bottom of my drawing, as you can see, the different types of the gender, which is the LGBT, transgender, bisexual, and lastly is the pansexual. From the top of my drawing, as you can see, the scale representing the equality, the equality of the all gender in our world. Before we say that, let me explain what is the gender equality. The gender equality is when individuals of all sexes have equivalent privilege, obligation, and the valuable open doors. Everybody is impacted by the orientation, imbalance, ladies, men's, trans, and the orientation different individuals. Young sister and the families, it impacts the individual of any age and foundation. Okay. For the say the all gender, we cannot tolerate them or force them to be who they are and say they want to be. In my drawing, saying that all gender is not a male or female, and it's showing the unity or pagkakaisa ng lahat ng gender sa ating mundo. And that's all to explanation about my drawing. Thank you.